This is a pregnancy pillow by Momcozy, and I actually talked to my daughter, and she said she had one of these when she was pregnant. I didn't get one of these when I was pregnant, but I swear I feel like this might be life-changing even for me, because I think it's good for side sleepers. When I got in this, I was so impressed with how good it felt. I could find like a totally different, I could move around and feel really different comfortable positions. I have a lot of lower back pain, so I can throw a knee over this, and this is gonna relieve some of my own personal back pain. So I can imagine being pregnant, how cool this would be. I'd like to thank Momcozy for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna actually sleep with it tonight. But it does have this extra little bump right here for your belly, you know, to lay on your belly. So that's kind of cool, but it's shaped like a U. You can flip it either direction, so you can flip it this way if you tend to sleep more on your left side and you want to hang your belly on that left side, so you can see how that kind of pops out a little bit. It's got a really soft, velvety feel, as well as up here, you can actually unzip it. So you've got this little zipper, and the zipper tucks into this little thing here, so it's not going to bother you. It's not gonna, like, you're not gonna like land on this metal in the middle of the night or anything like that. So yeah, really, really comfortable. Can't wait to give this a go. Really good for any kind of lower back pain, because again, this the part down here is going to actually lift up your knees just right where you need it, and this just snuggles you all right in. I cannot wait to give this a go. Oh, I loved how it felt laying in it. So again, thanks Momcozy.